Hi everyone. Uh, AHA has updated their CPR verify to AHA Atlas portal. So here we are going to look how to log in Atlas portal. So just type your in Google AHA Atlas login. So you will get a window here. So you have to click on here. So here you will get a window like this, that AHA Atlas no portal. So we have to go to sign in or sign up. So once you're done here, uh, you will get a page like here, like you can log in with your Google, Facebook login, sign in Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo, LinkedIn, Twitter, like that. And here we have a user ID and password option. Those who have already logged in, they can go with this. If you are a new user, create an account here, or you can use the option here. So come to here, you have to select the country here. So I'm from India, I'll select from India. Okay, just click on that India. Your first name, you can create that. What is your name in first letters? You can write like in capital or small letter, like I'm writing example. Okay, there will be mail ID we are creating here. Or those who are using Gmail, they can use Gmail. Any email ID you can use as per your. Okay, I'm repeating here again. Just go through this. So I type it everything. So if you have photos, you can add your photo here. Okay, I'm not using here. So here we have an option for mobile number. So I'm from India. Just I'm selecting India. So I'm typing my number, or whatever your number you have, you can type like your number. Okay, just I added my number. So here we can create a password like, okay, they have mentioned that one uppercase and one is lowercase. Okay, so I'm using one password here, capital X Z Z Z Z Z at the rate and numerical one, 2, 3. So here you can see this is the way, sorry, at the rate 1, 2, 3. So you can use like this. One is capital letter and the rest of the thing is small letter, and it should be in 8 characters and numerical number. So we have to type again here the same thing. So it's matched. So you have to match the password, and here you have to enter the password, and here you have to re-enter the password. So come to here, you have to I agree and read the understand. This here will be terms and conditions and policies. So after that you can continue here. Once you continue here, you will get a window like this. Okay, again you will get a window like this. You can select your language. So here I am selecting English. The area I'm selecting, I'm from India, so I'm selecting India. Time zone, you can select Asia, Kolkata. Asia, Kolkata. Email subscription, I have agreed and have submitted. Once I completed that, I'll get a dashboard like this. You can see here, here is my name, here is my profile, here is my classes, what I've attended the classes. Here is my proof of completion. Here you can see your, after the completion of the course, if you have passed the training, you can find here your examination. Okay, here your examination you can find. From here you can download the certification. Here is the portal. You can see that proof of completion. You will get the certificate here. So here you can see my profile. So here is my classes. Find my class. If I think so, I didn't. I'm not attended any class. So once I attend the class, that option will not available, and you can see my classes. So here I can update my profile. This is my name. So if any changes in the name, you will not get the certificate in that same proper name. So you will be careful to create the name in account here. The same name you have to give to the training instructors. In my class, you can see your class, what is how many classes you attending or attended. Proof of completion, you can see here, completed training certificates and all from the American Heart Association. Here is the dashboard and here is the profile. So let's come to the profile. You can see you can edit your name here. You can edit your additional informations, communication. Already we have done almost everything here. Okay, so this is the way we have to use the AHA Atlas portal as per the new AHA guidelines. This is the AHA Atlas portal as per the new guide. There is no CPR Verify. Those who are in CPR Verify, they have to create new Atlas portal and they can see their all certifications. Now there is no CPR Verify in the website. Thank you for watching.